Hello everyone, in this particular video we will look at that how to add and remove CSS classes on elements with the help of plain JavaScript. It is a super handy skill for making the interactive pages. So let's understand that how we can do it. So initially I have made some HTML for you, that is we are having a paragraph which is having ID as my text, and there's written that this is some text, right? Now we are having two different buttons. The first button is for add button, that is having the content which is add highlight, and the second is remove button, which is for remove highlight. Now what is this highlight? Well, this highlight is going to be a CSS which we are going to write here, highlight, like this. Now inside of this we will write some of the CSS like background color as yellow, right? And padding as padding wait yeah padding as some 10 pixel, right? Whatever you want you can add it at your own. Border as 10 pixel, solid orange, like this. So this is a CSS which we have written at our own. Now we will apply it dynamically, right? So for that, let me do it here only, not the external CS JavaScript, right? So what we are going to do, we are first going to apply the DOM manipulation and take out certain elements, all the elements basically. So we'll write const text equals to document dot get element by id, and inside of this we will write the my text, like this. After that we will write const add button equals to document dot get element by id. Now inside of this we will write add button, right? So add button, like this. And similarly we will create one more variable and select for remove button, like this. So we are having three different elements, right? Now we will apply our main JavaScript, that is add button. So whenever, right, whenever this is the button, right? So I'm going to apply a event listener. So whenever you click on the button, add event listener, and the event is what? Click, right? After that we will create a arrow function, and inside of this we will write text dot. Since you have seen here that the style I have created is basically based on a class, I'm having a dot here, right? And this highlight is not present anywhere inside the elements, right? So what we are going to do, we are going to put this particular class dynamically into our element, right? So that's why we are having text dot class list, right? Text is what? This particular my text, this paragraph, right? This is not having any class, but when you write class list dot what? Add, right? So what we are doing, we are adding a class to this particular paragraph, and that class is what? Highlight, right? This particular highlight, we are going to add this particular class. Now similarly, just we are applying the reverse of it for the remove button, right? So let's just copy it down and paste it here. Now for the remove button, we are going to write the remove button here, right? And we are also applying the event listener for it on it. So whenever you click the remove button, it will call a function, and that particular function is doing what? It is actually not adding, but it is removing. So we will write text.classList.remove, means if that particular text means paragraph is having a class highlight, in that case if you click on the remove button, it will remove the highlight from the class, right? Yeah, so it will work like the same. So let's just see that how actually it works. So let's go on our website, and you can see this is some text, and we are having two different buttons, add highlight and remove highlight. When I click on highlight, you can see the CSS got applied. You can see this is the CSS, right? It is applied dynamically by just clicking on the button. Now when you click on the remove highlight, you can see the CSS is removed. So you can do multiple number of times whatever you want, right? So this is how we can add the CSS dynamically in our JavaScript with the help of what? DOM manipulation, right? So this is all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet in the next video with a fresh new topic. Till then, goodbye.